Alright, welcome to Ekidel. So where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is Fashe Uchet. Today we want to continue with the introduction we did last time, because last time we have introduced this particular drawing to you, isn't it? And for those who have watched the introduction, you know that we have explained some things about this particular drawing and which one to go for. So today we want to start the GA. Is that okay? And we are going to be starting with this particular one. Is that okay? So what we are going to do, we are going to do this one up to the foundation level. Is that okay? Up to the foundation level. So all of this we are going to do it together. So that's why I want to say that you make sure you follow this video from beginning to the end, and also click on like button each time you are watching our video, as also tell others about what we are doing in Ekidel for them to also benefit. Is that okay? All right. Is that okay? So let's start. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to copy this. Is that okay? Then CP, enter. I'll copy from there. I'll bring it down to this place. Is that okay? That's fine. Okay. Let me align this one. Seems to align this one. Then XL, then H, enter. Sorry. XL, enter, H, enter. Okay. Let me just put it here like this, and then let me take this one like this. Enter. Okay, and this one I take it up this way. Okay, delete this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove this this one. This is my panel. This is panel rather. I'm going to remove it. Okay, that is that. Okay, the next thing, let me take this one. Let me take this one also. Enter. Let me bring it down. Okay, let me take this one, then also like this. Let me remove this and this one. Okay, I have this. Okay, all right. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to remove anything that are not structurally inclined. But before then, let me see. Let's study it. Let's look at this particular drawing. Okay, this is the entrance. Okay, this is it. Okay. Office, okay, this is the ground floor, this is staircase, okay, generator, okay, main purpose, stage, okay, all right, okay, looking at this one also, okay, VIP lounge, drinks, okay, and all of that. All right, it's okay. So let's start now. So the next thing I'm going to do, let's continue. I'm going to remove these ones. I don't need it. I don't need them. Right click and click on select similar. Okay, and also click on this one and say, sorry, do like this. Okay, right click and click on select similar also, and let's wait for it. Okay, the next thing is this one. Okay, highlighted. Okay, so I'll go to the main drawing, because you can see, so I have to deselect it. I'll press my shift key down and move my mouse over it. That has been deselected. I press what, and I press delete. Is that okay? So that is fine. So what I'm going to do now is to get the center of this. Is that okay? Center of this, L, enter. Is that okay? Center of this from here to this point to this point, and also from this point to this point. Is okay? XL, enter. Then H, enter. That's my construction line. I want to get the center, so I'll come to this place. Correct, this is my center, and also enter. Then V, enter. So can you see it here? Okay, that's my center line of this wall. Delete these ones, I don't need them anymore. Is that okay? I'll change the color of this this one, and come to this place and change the color to the one I want. Let me use this. Is that okay? All right, so now I'll take this one and put on all the vertical line. Is that okay? From here where I feel that they should be. Okay, let me just put it here first. Is that okay? Let me also put it on this one, in this place here. Okay, if there need be for me to delete, I'll delete some of them. So but for now, let's just put them there. Is that okay? It's okay then. This one, okay, don't forget what we are trying to do is what we call structural framing, or GA. Is that okay? Which means the general arrangement. Is that okay? So that is that. Let's see, vertical lines. Okay, we are all done with that. Is that okay? Then let's go to horizontal lines to get the center of our horizontal walls. Is that okay? Then come to this place here now. Okay, if then DB. Okay, this one, let's see. where am I going to put it? Let me put it here. Okay, all right, and then come to this place, also put it here. Okay, and also come here and also put it here. Is that okay? All right, okay, that is that. So the next thing I'm going to do now, let's check the dimension. My dimension is 230, should be 230. Oh, this is 232. Okay, let me confirm again. Okay, it's 232. That's 230, not 232. Is that okay? So since that is the case, I'll just copy this one and come to this place, take my this thing, fix this one in. Is that okay? I'm done with that. Is that okay? Since as I've confirmed the dimension is 230 by 230. Is that okay? That is that. Or you press you take this, you take this and then press 230. Understand? 230. Is it 230? 230, comma 230, and then that to give you that enter to give you this. Is that okay? All right. So that is that. I'll come to this place now. Let me change the color. Let me change it to this and let me increase the thickness. Is that okay? Okay. Or should we make it bigger? 35. Okay. Is it visible? Yes, it's visible. So is that okay? So I'll click on this one, then CP, enter from this point here now. F8. Is that okay? I'll come to this place now, put it here, fix it in. Also at this point here, also on this point. Okay, and this one here also, and this one. Later we'll now decide which one to delete and which one not to delete. Is that okay? But for now, let's just position them here. Is that okay? This one here also. Come to this place now. I'll put it here also, and let me see what's happening here. Some of this architectural work. Okay, let me see first. Let's even see this one. Okay, this one also. Can you see these architects? Can you see what they are doing? Okay, let me just fix it in. Okay, this one enter perfectly, which means it's 230, so I will leave it. Is that okay? This is what I'm going to make use of. Is that okay? So this is what I'm going to make use of. It's 230. Is that okay? Everything is 230. Is that okay? It's 230. So that is that. So I'm going to use 230 for this. Is that okay? Let me see it here. Let me put it here, and also let me put it here. Oh, sorry. Delete this one, or let me move it. Enter. Let me move it to this. Okay. Let me see. CP. Enter. Okay. Let me pick from here. Center. Correct. Okay. I also come to this place and fix it in. Above, do I have here? Okay, I have also. Okay, above, do I have? Okay, I also have here. Okay, I also have it here. Okay, alignment. Okay, I also have it here. Okay, here I also have it, and this one I also have it here. Then finally on this side. Okay, so here definitely I'm going to have here, and also let me see here. Let me see first. Is that okay? Let's just see first if it's okay there. What else again? Okay, let's now start. Now let's now complete our column first before we proceed to the other ones. Is that okay? All right, let's confirm. Let me take my dimension from this point here, from this point to this point. Okay, 4 point something is okay. This is about 7, okay, which means it's okay. This one is okay here. So what about from this point to this point? Is about 6 meters. Okay, because of this, let me just leave this one like this. Let me leave this one. Okay, I'll come from this point here now to this point. Okay, this is 3. This is 3. Okay, it's okay. Then from this point to this point here is also what? 3, and from here to here, that's 6. Okay, and don't forget that our steel roof starts from here looking at this, so we have not superimposed, but me looking at this is starting from here, it's starting from this point to this place. Is that okay? So that means it can span more than this if you want. Is that okay? It can span more than this. Let's see. Let me see from this point here. Let me see from this point to this point here. Okay, that should be 6 meters. Is that okay? That should be 6 meters. So if you want, we can make it 3 meters. Is that okay? So we can make 3 meters. It's your choice. At this point, it's your choice to make it what? Either 6 meters interval. That's from here to here, 6 meters, and also from here to here, 6 meters. But looking at this, I want to explain something. If you look at this, this is the main. Is that okay? This is the major one. Is that okay? If you look at this roof here, this is the roof. This is part of the roof extension. That's the eave. In terms of, you can now see. Can you see it now? Can you see the roof? Can you see it here? So this one is the main part. Is that okay? That's going to carry this roof on this side. This is the major one. The eave extend to this place. Is that okay? So that is that. So so this one is minor. Is that okay? It has no function. Is that okay? So but because of the span, if you like 6 meters, you can leave it, remove it. Is that okay? If you like, you can remove it. So, and also this one also means the same thing. You can remove this one. Is that okay? And this one also, if you like, yes, we can remove this one. I think. Let's check. Okay, 6 meters also, we can remove it. And if you want to make it 3 meters, good and fine. But one thing you should know is that the more the span, the more your members, and the closer the members are, the lesser the section. Is that okay? I repeat, the more the span, the bigger your section. Is that okay? And also the closer your members are, the lesser their section. Is that okay? All right. So okay, so let me come to this place now and make adjustment. Is that okay? Let's put it like this way, and also do it this way. Sorry, let's do it this way. Okay, and also this one, let's remove this one. Okay, is that okay? So you can now see how our columns are being spaced. Is that okay? And the length of our beam was 6 meters. Is that okay? So that is that. But if you don't want, you can also choose the other way around. Is that okay? I haven't explained this one. Let me just undo it. Let's follow the other one. Is that okay? So I just use that one to explain to you that we have 2 options. Is that okay? We have 2 options. So let's proceed. Okay, all right. I think that is all. Remain 1. Okay, I think that is that. Okay, all right. So now I haven't done this one like this. Let me now see the next thing we are going to be doing now is, okay, sorry, let me change this. Let me change this color. I don't want this color. Let me change to this. Okay, better. All right. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, looking at this, what is this place? Let's see, from here to this place 4, and to this place 5.4. I'm coming. Let's see. Here's my calculator. Let's do something. Okay, from this point, sorry, that's 4.2, and also from here to this place 5.4. Is that okay? So based on this column now, the column we have just inserted. Is that okay? The column we are just inserted now. So the next we are going to be doing is what we call paneling. I want to panel. Is that okay? I want to panel because looking at this, from this column, this here to this point is what 3 meters interval. Is that okay? Except this particular plate that is 4.2, which is still okay, as long as it's no more than 6 meters. Is that okay? It can be less than, it can be 6 meters, but it should not be more than. Though there are situations whereby you can have more than that. Is that okay? More than 6 meters span, depending on what, on the requirement. Is that okay? So that is that. Okay, so let's now proceed. So to this one now, looking at this place now, for me, looking at this this place, if you multiply, what's the area of this panel? The area of this panel is 4.262 multiplied by 5.401. Sorry, multiplied by 5.401, which is what? 23, which is less than 30 square meters. So automatically the entire this place, the whole of this place. Okay, sorry, let's come up. Okay, come to this one, also delete this one. Okay, come to this place also, delete this one. Also, let's select similar. Let's see. Select similar. Okay, since I've finished positioning my column, I can allow this. Is that okay? I can allow this door to be, the openings to be what, to be deleted. Is that okay? That can be allowed. So let me go to the original and select this. Okay, and come to this place and do what, and press delete. All right, perfect. So also this one also, since there are not many, I'll just remove this. Okay, I'll remove this one. Okay, so automatically I'm making the entire place what, a panel. This one like this up to this place like this. Sorry, why are you not deleting? What's happening? Oh, okay, I see. Let me see. Oh, sorry, I see. Explode. Is that okay? Let me explode it. I think that's all. Okay, not done yet. Explode. Okay, correct. So now I've exploded it, so let's continue rather. Okay, remove this one, also remove this. This architects, don't know why they like giving us work. Okay, right, depends on their software, sure. It's okay, depends on their software they are using. Okay, this one also, this one, explode, yes, extend. Let me delete this. Okay, EX. Okay, all right, coming to this place again. Okay, I can decide to do it this way. Okay, let me just do it this way. Remove this, and click on this, then EX, enter. Correct. So come to this place also, EX, enter. Correct. Okay, sorry, I've done this one also, EX, enter. Okay, come to this place, remove this. So you can also, now we have this one as a panel, and we have this one as what, as a panel also. Okay, so that is that. And also looking at this place now, the next thing I'm going to do now, let me finish with this one first. Okay, this place is the main place. Let me see, let me extend this. Click on this, EX, enter. We have this. Is it possible? Go there. Okay, wow, this match property, will it work? And this kind of work. Let me see, let me remove this. Let me just remove them. Is that okay? So this one and this one, let me see how I can extend it to this. EX, enter. Okay, better. Then match the property of this to this, and also what is happening here? Okay, it was cut. Okay, let me put it here. Then EX, enter. Let me just run it through. Okay, all right, this place also, EX, enter. Okay, and also the next thing here, we are done with this side. Let's superimpose something. Before then, let me see, let me connect this one. Let me connect this. EX, enter. Let me see, is it going? Okay, it's not. Okay, let me connect L, enter. This. Okay, then match the property of this to this, okay, then extend this one. What's happening here? Okay, delete this one over this one. Oh my god, explode. Okay, then take this one, EX, enter. Okay, all right, So the next thing now, let me connect this one. I have to connect this one. Let me remove this like this. Okay, select this, EX, enter. Let me see, go there, perfect. Okay, now let's do something around this place now. Let's see what is going to happen here. Let's see what's going to happen here. Okay, let me select this, right click and click on select similar. Okay, let me see any property selected. Okay, that's that. Okay, I'll come to this place now. Then CP, which means this stands for copy. Enter. I'm copying from this edge, or let me see, from my staircase side. For my staircase, don't forget I'm copying from here, this edge here. I'll go to this other place and also put at the edge here. Okay, all right. Okay, as you can see what we are having here. Okay, can you see it now? Can you see what we are having here now? Can you see? Perfect. That those two columns, can you see these two columns? You can see it here. That is fine. Then here you can see we are having a wall here down there, but here you discover that this wall is now carrying more load. Is that okay? Because of this slab. Is that okay? Because of this slab, this wall is now carrying more load. Is that okay? So what we are going to do now is that I'm going to come here. Let me take this one, then CP, enter. Then I'm picking from this edge to this center here. Correct. Is that okay? So I'll take this one, copy this, CP, enter. Okay, and come to this place and fit it in, and also come to this place and fit this one in. Is that okay? So automatically, let me check something here. From here to this place, this is 4 point something by 5 point something. That's about 23 or so. Is that okay? So automatically I can let go of this. Oh my god. Okay, let me explode this. Okay, so I can let go of this one. Sorry, let go of this. Is that okay? I'll let go of this, then also remove this one. Is that okay? I'll remove this one. You can to still work. Is that okay? To still work. I'll make this one my main because of this place. Is that okay? Because of this place here. Is that okay? Because of this this place. Put beam here. Put this thing here. Okay, here, and here. Okay, it's still okay. Left for you, but for me, I want to remove it. If you like, you can leave this one here. Is that okay? You can leave this wall here. Is that okay? So that is fine. You can put your beam along this place. Is that okay? You can put your beam along this place, but for me, I want to put my beam here. Is that okay? Because of this place. Is that okay? Because if you look at this place now, this slab, there's a slab here, isn't it? This particular slab is coming to this beam, isn't it? If you like, you can put your own beam here. Is that okay? And also put another beam here. Is that okay? So that is that, so that your slab will not be resting directly on the wall. Is that okay? So that is that. But for me, I want it this way. Is that okay? So I now come to this place, remove this one. Is that okay? So that is that. So I can now come to this place now, click on this. Click on the right click, select similar. Okay, and come to deselect this one now. Press my shift key and click on this, and also this one delete. Is that okay? I can now take it properly now, and let's see. Right click, select similar. Is that okay? And then CP, enter. From the same staircase edge. Okay, come to this other part and fit it in, fix it here. Is that okay? Can you see now? Can you now see what we are having? So you can now see what we are having here. Can you see it now? So which is perfectly okay. Is that okay? So these ones are okay. This is just a Eve. Is that okay? Extension. Is that okay? These are just the extension of your roof. Is that okay? And looking at this one also is perfectly okay. So let's come to this place now. Let me take the dimension from this point here to this point. 5 point something is still okay. To this place 7, it's okay here. Instead of me to now say I want to give this place another different axis, so I can just leave it like this. Is that okay? I can just leave it like this. So I'll now come to this place now. Copy this one, see this one. Okay, these people. So come to this place now, and also this one. Let me just take my explode. Let me explode. Okay, can explode. Okay, copy this and also this one. Let me just copy this. Then CP, enter. From this edge here, I'll put on this edge here and also put on this edge here. So I'll come to this place now. So click on this one, EX, which means extend, enter. I'll come to this place and click on this, Is that okay? So I'll come to this place also, click on this, then EX, enter, like this, and also like this. Is that okay? So that is that. Is that okay? That is that. So the reason why I'm not going to change the color is because from the foundation there's no wall here, isn't it? That there's going to be what do you call it, walls at the top. Is that okay? Which is the same thing with this one. So is that okay? So that is that. So there's no need of me changing the color of this. Is that okay? No, since it's going to carry a wall. Is that okay? The same wall that these ones are going to carry is what this one is going to carry. So there's no need of me changing the color. Is that okay? They are going to perform the same function. Okay. All right. So which is this one here? Can you see it here? That's perfect. So what other thing do we need to do? Let me remove this. This one. Okay, if this one, now I want to explain something here, that if this one here is less than 30 square meter, automatically these ones are less than 30 square meter, isn't it? So that is fine. And if this one also is less than what, 30 square meter, automatically this one is also less than 30 square meters. Looking at the dimension and even mere looking, is that okay? Can you see 4.2 by by 5.4? Is that okay? So it's also less than. Is that okay? So this one and this one, okay, looking at the same thing, but this one, other ones are what, are small. So let's look at this. So this one now, I can now extend this one to this. Is that okay? I can extend this one to this, like this one now, and this one. Let me explode this. Let me do something. Explode. Let me see. Okay, let me just leave it. Okay, so this one here, I also need it here. Let me copy this one, CP, enter. From this point, I'll come to this place and fix this one and also fix it here. Is that okay? So join this one together, EX, enter. Okay, all right. But this particular one here, let's see up here. It's a passage. This place are what? They are passages. Is that okay? People are not there's no obstruction around this place. Is that okay? So on that ground, I'm coming here to change the color to which one again? Which one should I go for? Let me go for this and let me do it this way. Let me come to this place and use this. Is that okay? Likewise, it's applicable to this. This is applicable to this one, and okay. Let me do something. TR, enter. Let me treat this place off, then copy this one, CP, come to this place now and fix it here. Is that okay? And also, but this one is going to be blocked. Is that okay? This is okay. All right. So this is how we go about the GA. Is that okay? This is how to go about the GA. Let me right click, select similar, right click, order, and come to bring to front. Okay, correct. Okay, so now at this point, in case you have not clicked on subscribe button, I want to say you should click on subscribe button if this is your first time, and at the same time I want to say that you should don't forget to click on like button. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up, because the more you like, the more YouTube make this video to go viral. Is that okay? What you might have known this one, but I want to bet you that there are some who does not know this particular thing we are doing here presently, this GA. They don't know it, but through the help of this video, they can have access to this, and from there they can also learn. Is that okay? As I always say, don't hide your knowledge. Is that okay? Since we are not hiding our knowledge and we are producing this video, you don't try to deny others from learning. Is that okay? By not clicking on the like button. Is that okay? So if you refuse to click on like button, that means you want to deny others. You want to be benefit alone. Is that okay? Which is not good. Is that okay? So if you want to benefit alone, we would have come up online to be doing what, to be producing these videos. Is that okay? So help one help one, and become what, two. From two help two becomes 4. That's how it goes. Is that okay? So that is that. So now what's the next thing we are going to do now? Have them superimpose, and we discover that they are perfectly okay. Everything is perfectly okay. Okay, it's okay. All right, it's okay. So when we now get to Protastructure, I haven't done this one like this. Everything is perfectly okay. The next thing I'm going to do now is to rectangle. Is that okay? Enter. Then from this point here, this one is your choice. Is that okay? You can take it from anywhere. Is that okay? Now move over it, just have a form of a rectangle. Okay, then click on this one here to trim off the excesses, this particular ones, sorry, this one here. Select this and also this. Is that okay? Escape, click on this. Is that okay? So you can see what we are having. Is that okay? You can see what we are having here perfectly. Okay, all right. As I said, if you like, you can remove this. Is that okay? That is that. But 3 meters interval, well, it's still okay, perfectly okay. Is that okay? All right. So which now makes our member to not to be too big, bogus, rather smaller. Is that okay? All right. Likewise, our reinforcement. Is that okay? All right. So that's fine. What's next thing now? The next thing now is to rename this. Is that okay? Let me remove this one. Let me remove this one. Enter. Okay. And at this point, I want to say that we have the Protastructure 2025 is out. Is that okay? It's a fantastic software. So I want to advise you to get it. It's very, very fantastic. There are a lot of things they have added. A lot. When I mean a lot, because the essence of software, since you have known manual, the essence of software is to do what? Is to help you to facilitate your work. Is that okay? There are some things that I'm doing when I get to Protastructure 2018 or 2021 or 2022. Getting to 2024 or 2025, we now discover that my work, the time I will spend in 2018, get to 2022, I'll spend less. Now, the time I'll spend in 2022, by the time I go to 2020, let me repeat. The time I'm spending on 2018, when I get to 2021, 2021, you discover that I spend less time. Now, from 2021 to 2022, I also spend lesser time. So from 2022, I get to 2024. Why? Because they are upgrading. They want to make the work so easy for us. So when I now come to 2025, I can bet you that, in fact, it has reduced the level of your work so much. So I want to advise you to get that particular software. Protastructure 2025, fantastic. Is that okay? All right. Let's proceed. So from here now, I'll come to my layer. From my layer, I'll come to this place now. This layer, let's see, let it come up. Okay, so see it here. I'll come to this particular one here. Click on this. Let me name it. Let me just name it. That's a grid G. I'll just name it as G. Is that okay? That's a grid line. Grid line GL. That's GL. I'll come to this place. Click on this. Then also come to this place. I'll close this one, then remove this one, then CL, that's column, CL, click on this. Is that okay? So I'll now come here and close it. Is that okay? I'll come to this place, click, select this one, select these ones, then come to this place and name it as what? G, let's look for it, that's grid line, see it here. Is that okay? Name it already, then come to the column, click on the column, click on the column, right click, select similar. Is that okay? Select similar, come to this place now and name it as what? CL, see it here, column. Is that okay? Then that is that. Escape. So if I should now select all of this one now, you see the name that is going to appear. Can you see it now? You can see GL, which means perfectly it has been renamed. If I click on this one now and right click and click on select similar, can you see all selected? Is that okay? So that is it. That's that. So once you are done with this one, the next thing now is to do what? Is to now save it. So if you like, you can remove all of this. That's if you want. So that if you want, you can remove all of this. You can remove these ones. This stage, you can remove them. Okay. This is the entrance. You can remove them. So if you like, you can extend. You can extend this one. EX. Enter this one and this one. Is that okay? And come to this place also. Do same to this place, then escape, click on this, do this way. Okay, come to this place also, EX, enter. Okay, then escape, come to this place, remove this. Is that okay? All right, so let's proceed. This one we don't need it, so this one is architect. I don't want to face that. We don't need this one here. I don't need this, so those ones. Let me click on this. Okay. All right, so that is that. This one also, delete this. Okay, come here. Okay, then EX, enter. Okay, perfect. All right, any other thing? I think that is all. So looking at this GA now, we are done because our column are perfectly positioned. Is that okay? Can you see? They are perfectly positioned. Is that okay? I want to say follow this video to the end. Is that okay? So that you also know how we are going to load this particular structure, even the steel. Is that okay? Even the steel, so you can see how it's going to be done. Is that okay? So that is that. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to save this work. Is that okay? So I'll save it and take it to what? To origin. To take it to origin now, I will just first of all L, is that okay? Enter 0, 0, enter. Can you see it now? So I'll click on anywhere here. Is that okay? Escape and then come to this place now. CP, is that okay? Let me remove this. I'm coming. Let me remove this. I don't need this one. Okay, let me just select this one. Okay, then CP, enter. From this particular edge here, I'll take it up here. Come to this place. This is my origin. This is my origin. I'll position it here. Perfect. So I can now remove this one. Is that okay? So that is that. So now, having done it this way, the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to save this work. Is that okay? I'll save it. Select it. Press my W. Is that okay? Enter. So let's wait for it. Okay, so I'll come to this place, click on this. Is that okay? And where do I want to save it? Okay, I'll come to this place now. Let me go to my document of our desktop. Is that okay? Desktop. Let me see. I'm coming. Let me see. Under desktop, where do I want to get new? Okay. Let's put it here. Is that okay? Let's leave it here. So I'll come to this place now. I'll name it as what? I'll name it as what? Office. Office. Is that okay? So I'll leave it as office and come to this place now. I'll make it what? DXF, not DWG. Is that okay? DXF. Don't forget DXF. So click on this. Is that okay? Here there's no office. Under new folder. Okay. Office. Is okay, that's the name. I'll come to this place. What? Click on you can see this place now, office DXF. Is that okay? I'll click on save. Then my unit, exact unit is what? Is a millimeter. Is that okay? I'll then come. Before then, you can now see we have some other unit here, so we are using millimeter, so I'll leave it in millimeters. Is that okay? I'll click on OK. So can you see up here it has gone? So this is how to go about it. So here now I can now delete this one. Is that okay? And try to move up. Can you see? So what I'm now going to save is this one now that I'm going to save. Is that okay? We are going to save this one because that's what we are going to be using. Is that okay? When we get to Protastructure. Is that okay? So the next part now is how to go about what? The modeling and design using our software called Protastructure. Is that okay? So that is that. Let me select this one again. Let me bring it up. Select all. Right click. Okay. All right. That's that. Okay, so till I see you next time in our next video, I want to say thank you very much. Don't forget to click on like button and also tell others about Ekidel. And also we have what we call Ekidel mentorship class, whereby we train others, people especially, on how to go about their design, complex structures, how to go about it. And at the same time, we have what we call Ekidel group. And in the Ekidel group, that's where we come together to to ask questions at the same time. For example, if I encounter any problem here, or this particular drawing look confusing, is that okay? I can post it there, and before as many engineers online can quickly do what? Respond to my question and help me to solve it. And even those that will come up later, they can also add their own opinion, which now make you much more better than you were before. Is that okay? And we also have a Ekidel masterclass. This Ekidel masterclass came up as a result of a lot of requests, whereby they don't want to learn everything. There are some aspect of design they have known, but there are this particular aspect which they don't know. So that's where masterclass comes in. Anyone you want to learn, you don't want to learn everything. Even though, for example, you want to learn how to design staircase, any kind of staircase, you can enroll for that. That's under masterclass. So you now be taught only staircase. Is that okay? So that is that. Any aspect of design you want to learn, that's where masterclass comes in. Is that okay? Just mention it. Under masterclass, you'll be what? You'll be trained in that aspect. Be it seismic design, be what they call it, pile design, any type of design that you want. Just go to masterclass. That's where you'll be trained, which is different from what mentorship class. Is that okay? So that is that. So thank you very much. Till I see you next time in our next video. I want to say, don't forget to always like our video in order for others to also benefit. So thank you very much. Till I see you. God bless Ekidel and God bless us all. Bye.